Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Skill RPA. And this video we are going to discuss about the question number 2 in the practice exam for UiPath Test Automation Engineer Professional. The question here is, what type of studio projects supported coded automation? Legacy, cross-platform and legacy, Windows and legacy, Windows and cross-platform. So to understand this, first we need to understand legacy, Windows and cross-platform. Legacy is like when we are going with 4.5 .NET framework. In that stages, like we used to build our Windows legacy projects. And UiPath announced long back that they are phasing out the support of legacy, and we need to convert everything to the Windows platform. And once the Windows platform came into the picture, then the coded automations are implemented. So for cross-platform and Windows, both of the projects, we can have this coded automations. And I have two projects created. This is with the Windows exams, and I can create a coded automation, coded test case, create. And I have one more project which I created, test automation project 3, where I have it is for cross-platform. So in both cross-platform and Windows, our coded automations are supported, which means our answer is going to be the fourth option, which is Windows and cross-platform. So this is going to be our answer for this particular question. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Skill RPA YouTube channel.